Stop paying for AI video tools. These free generators just destroyed the competition. Zero watermarks, pro results, and you won't believe what you can unlock. I did 2 generations with the same prompt. First up, Veo 2 from Google. Cinematic shots? Check. Realistic motion? Check. Stunning detail? Check. But heads up, 5 videos per day, ultra-sensitive filters and character consistency is hit or miss. Pro tip, use Kohl's camera, object, action, location style to get cinematic results. Next, Whisk, also from Google and powered by Imagen 4. It nails consistent characters, drag and drop scenes, and gorgeous lighting. Still limited to 10 videos per day, but perfect for storytelling sequences. Use media.io if there is a watermark. Now, this is the dark. Horse. Unlimited use, no login, and it supports both text and image to video. Prompt coherence is even better than Midjourney. Just watch for that 2-task queue and 15-minute render time. Then there's Qwen, WAN-powered, login required, text to video. Only, it's hit or miss, but when it hits, it's surprisingly clean. Great for fast B-roll or filler visuals.
Want unlimited Veo 3 access? Or to unlock Dramina and DiGen with no watermark, no limits? Yeah, I got you. Links to those secret methods are in the description. You didn't hear that from me.
Which generator are you trying first? Drop a comment below and make sure to subscribe, because when these tools go premium, you'll wish you saved this.